The year was 1974. It was in those years when everybody of my age had this aspiration to join the Armed Forces Medical College, AFMC, located in Pune. Now, I also had this very strong desire to join AFMC. Now, to join AFMC, you had to give, an entrance exam, and then you had to give a few interviews. Now, to give the entrance exam, you could choose any center from all over India. Now, I specifically chose Delhi because one of my uncle, who was a retired army officer, from the time of the British, he was living there. So I thought it would be a good idea to go there and give this exam. Maybe this uncle can help me with the entrance exam, and maybe if I pass the entrance exam, he may also give me some guidance with the interviews. That was my idea. So I went to Delhi and I started studying, preparing myself for the entrance exam. But it was a real bad experience, living in my uncle's house. Why? Let me explain. Every time when we sat down in the evening for dinner, this uncle of mine would, try to pull my leg and try to tease me and annoy me. So he was, always after me. He would make comments about my appearance. He would make comments about my intelligence. He would make fun of me, giving this entrance exam. He would also say nasty things about my family and my parents. Now, initially, I was, not getting offended. I didn't bother much. I didn't really take it very seriously because I had come there to give this entrance exam. But as days passed, now he became very, very annoying. And there was a time when I could not take it anymore. And I could not concentrate on my study for this entrance exam also. And then, my exams were coming, but I was really bothered by this guy. And then when I gave the entrance exam, I was not happy with the, exam that I gave. And to a big degree, I held this guy responsible. And after that exam, when I came home and that night when we were having dinner, this guy started again, and he said this, he said a lot of nasty things. Now that really humiliated me, that really made me mad, crazy. I just, walked away from the table and went to my room. I was really crying there in my room. Why this guy is talking such nonsense to me? And then in that heated moment, I took out an letter and I started writing a letter to my friend in Mumbai. So this is what I wrote. I wrote, pal, I am really fed up with my life over here in Delhi, and I just don't want to live anymore. I want to commit suicide. And that's the letter. I immediately went and posted it. In those days, letters took a long time to be delivered. But in 5 days, I received this, on my friend's letter. And I was so curious, what has he written? And then I opened the letter and I read. And it went something like this. The first line, he said, "Don't ever commit suicide in Delhi. Delhi is not a good place to commit suicide." He said, "If you want to commit suicide, immediately come to Bombay. Immediately come to Bombay. Bombay is the best place to commit suicide. And you come here, I will personally help you in committing suicide." And then he went on to write, Bombay is good because we have the local trains here. I can push you in front of a local train. Then he said, we have got, tall buildings, 25, 20-storied building. I could take you to the top and I could push you from there. We have the Arabian Sea here. So I could throw you into the Arabian Sea. Do you have all these things in Delhi? No, no way. Don't commit suicide there. Now, when I was reading this, I felt, what a stupid friend. I'm committing suicide and he's telling I'll help you to commit suicide. I just burst out, laughing. I just couldn't stop laughing. And the moment I thought about, committing suicide, all I could do was laugh, laugh, and laugh. And in short, to cut a story short, I dropped the idea of committing suicide. I wrote to my friend, thanks for your letter, and I am going to come back to Mumbai. This friend's letter, acted as a very good pattern interrupt. It interrupted my pattern of thinking, and it changed the way I was thinking about suicide. In Anthony Robbins terms, he said that if you take a record of a sad song and then if you listen to it, play the sad song, it will make you feel sad. But if you take a sharp object, a knife, and then scratch this sad song record and then try to play it, it will create some funny sounds and you cannot get sad or depressed. You will start laughing at it. So the point I want to make here is, whenever you get stuck into some kind of negative frame of mind, negative thinking, negative attitude, try doing something outrageous. Try to make a funny sound or try to do a funny action, and you will start feeling a little foolish yourself and you will start laughing at yourself. What the hell am I doing? It interrupts the pattern of your negative thinking, and every time you think that, it will make you laugh or make you feel foolish, but not negative. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye-bye.